Hello from Ole Miss. We are so excited that you're interested in the University of Mississippi and beginning your journey on becoming a rebel. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to apply for undergraduate admission to Ole Miss. Let's begin by visiting the Office of Admissions website at admissions.olemiss.edu. Once that website loads, in the middle of the screen, click the red Apply Now link. Be sure to click the admissions application at the top of the screen, titled Undergraduate Application for Admission. Now that you're at the login page for our undergraduate admissions application, you have a couple of options. If you've ever created an account in order to apply for admission to Ole Miss, please be sure to enter the email and password here that you used when creating that account. If it's your first time here and you've never applied to Ole Miss, that's perfect. Click First Time Here, Register Now in order to enter your email address and create a password. I've already created my account, so for the purpose of today, I'm going to click Cancel to return to our main page. Now I will enter my email address and password so I can log in and begin showing you the application. Here on this screen, you will see a few different options. At the very top, there is a green New Application button that allows you to create a new application. If it's your first time logging in, you won't see these gray boxes on your screen like you're seeing on mine now. I have a completed application here that's unpaid, but here, beneath the in-progress applications, I have an application that I started but never completed. For the sake of today, let's click Edit on this in-progress application and I'll show you step by step. However, if you don't have any in-progress applications, click New Application at the top of your screen so we can begin this journey together. Now that you're seeing the application for the first time, it's important to note on the left side of your screen all the sections of the admissions application. It's important to complete every section as thoroughly as possible so we're able to collect as much information about you so we can best serve you. Let's begin on the Personal Information tab. You will also see red required fields that are absolutely required in order to complete your application. You'll see here that the Social Security number field is not required, but we strongly encourage you to provide your Social Security number so that we are able to process your FAFSA. The FAFSA is the free application for federal student aid that Get to College will teach you all about throughout your college search process. When you get to the bottom of the page, click Save and Continue to progress to the next section. On this page, the Program of Study tab, you will provide us with information about the campus in which you'd like to enroll and what program you'd like to study while at the university. I plan to enroll full-time or part-time at the Oxford campus or one of our regional campuses. For the sake of today, I'm going to click Oxford Main Campus. The next question allows you to select if you will be a new student or a new transfer. If you're currently in high school, or if you're a high school graduate who's never completed any college classes, please click New. However, if you are a student who's finished high school and has completed college credits at a 2- or 4-year institution, please click New Transfer. The next section allows you to select your enrollment term for which you'd like to apply. If you're a current high school senior beginning your senior year in fall 2020 and you're looking to enroll at the University of Mississippi next fall, you would click Fall 2021 for your enrollment term. And next, the program of study for which you'd like to apply. You can scroll through this list to select any major that you're most interested in studying at the university. Remember, you're not locked into this major, as you can still change your major anytime over the course of your senior year or at orientation next summer. For the sake of today, I have no idea what I want to major in, so I'm going to select Undeclared Undecided. At Ole Miss, that's known as Freshman Studies. The next question allows you to select a pre-professional program for which you might like to apply. These include pre-dentistry, pre-law, pre-medicine, pre-physical therapy, among others. If you're interested in one of these pre-professional tracks, it's important to select this area so we're able to prepare and match you with the appropriate advisor for that track. When selecting your academic major, it's also important to note that some programs at the university have additional requirements in addition to the general admissions requirements. For example, all science and engineering programs require an ACT Math subscore of 25. If for some reason you don't have the ACT Math subscore of 25 but like to major in engineering, we will automatically place you in general engineering. Additionally, the School of Business Administration requires all students to complete general business throughout their freshman year until a certain credit hour and GPA are reached. At that time, the student may specify a specific area of business they'd like to pursue. Click Save and Continue to progress to the next tab. This is where you will provide your contact information to us, including your email, your primary phone number. Please also provide your current address, and if your permanent address is the same as your current address, you can check this box so you only have to list your address one time. Click Save and Continue, and let's progress to the Related Persons tab. On the Related Persons section, we ask that you please provide the name of at least one parent or legal guardian. In the drop-down menu, you may select the type of relationship that this person has to you. Please make sure to complete all required fields, providing us as much information as possible, and at the bottom of the screen, please check the box that this person will be your emergency contact. We may contact this person if we ever need to get in touch with you, but this information is also used to help determine your residency. Next, I'm going to click the Education tab, and I'm going to list the school in which I'm currently attending or have attended in the past. I'm going to click the green Add Institution button and type in my high school. I don't remember the exact date I started high school or the exact date that I'll finish, so I just put the first date of each month. Click the green Add button, and now my high school has been added. I've never attended any other institutions before, so I'm going to click Continue and progress to the next section. The senior schedule section of the application is not required. However, if you're currently a high school senior and you know the classes you will be taking this year, please be sure to add these classes so we're able to have on record what your senior schedule will be. If you are not currently enrolled in high school, if you're a community college or four-year transfer student, or if you're not currently attending school at all, please do not worry about completing this application. However, high school seniors can click the green Add Class button, and we will now begin adding your senior classes. For the sake of today, I'm going to enter English 4 in the class name. In class category, you'll pick the subject that best fits your course. English 4 is an English class, so I'll select English from the drop-down menu and click Add Class. Continue adding courses until your senior schedule is complete and click Continue to proceed. The Employment History tab shows an opportunity for you to add your previous or current employment. If you've never been employed, please do not worry about completing this section as it is not required. Click the Submit button to proceed with your application. As you can see, there are yellow boxes that show me that required information is missing from the application. It is now time for me to go back through the application and complete it to the best of my ability in order to provide the required information to submit my application. Now that I have successfully entered all required information, I've clicked Submit. You will now see the application review page that explains you will not be able to modify your application once it has been submitted. Once you've read and agreed to those statements, please check the corresponding box and then you will submit your application. On the screen, you will see two options that will determine how we proceed with your application. For Mississippi residents, the application fee is $40. For students who qualify for an application fee waiver or an ACT fee waiver due to financial need, We will accept the application fee waivers in lieu of the application fee payment. If you're unable to submit payment at this time but still wish to submit your application, please click the second option. At that point, please contact your high school counselor or a school official to collect the application fee waiver to be sent to our office. If you wish to submit payment, check the first option and click Pay Now. This then directs you to our payment portal where you will enter your credit or debit card information to pay the $40 application fee. Once all your information has been entered, click Continue to proceed with payment and receive a receipt. That's it. You've now submitted your application to the University of Mississippi. Congratulations. At this time, if you did not pay your application fee and you will be submitting a fee waiver, please be sure to contact your school official to get the waiver sent to us. Additionally, for high school students who have applied, you will need to send us your high school transcript and any standardized test scores such as the ACT or SAT. College students submitting their application will need to submit official transcripts from each college institution where you've completed classes. If you have questions, please be sure to contact us. The Office of Admissions contact information is available on our website, admissions.olemiss.edu. We would also love to connect you with your admissions counselor who will guide you through the admissions and college search process. On our website, click the Get Info tab and find your admissions counselor. Once that page loads, you're able to scroll through our staff directory of admissions counselors. To view individual territories, you may click the picture of the staff member, or for easy access, click the United States map at the top of the screen. Find your state, and you'll see a breakdown of territories within your state. Again, we're so excited that you have applied for admission, and we wish you the best on this journey. Hotty toddy.